Hello friends, welcome back to the Code Guru. Myself Mahi, and today I am going to tell you how to calculate factorial of a number in Java. So friends, let's get started. So for that, as you all know, first of all we need to open the BlueJ software. I have opened it. You need to create a new project. You have not yet created it. Then I have created it, so I'll start the new class. A dialog box will appear as soon as I click on the new class button. You can give any name to your class. I'm giving it Factorial, as our program is to calculate factorial. So friends, first of all we'll clear the editor. Before starting the coding, you need to know what is factorial. A factorial is the product of the number and all the numbers or the natural numbers lesser than it. For example, the factorial of 3. So friends, this is the sign of factorial. Although it is a sign of exclamation mark, but in Java it works as the sign of factorial is equals to 3 into 2 into 1. You can see that the initial number is 3 and there are all the natural numbers smaller than it, that is 2 and 1. So friends, this was something and all about factorial. Now let's start with our coding. First of all, we'll import our util package as we want to enter the value from the user. Next, I'll open my class, that is class Factorial. Friends, here the name of the class and here they both should be same. Next, we'll type public static void main. So friends, what is it? Public static void main is the statement which you all know now, might be knowing the statement meaning, and then we'll add the brackets. Open the curly braces for public static void main. Next, as you all know, we need a number to calculate its product. So we'll enter the value from the user. For that, we have already imported the util package. Next, we'll add the scanner class of it. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. This is to add the scanner class of the util package. Next, we'll enter the number from the user. First of all, as a user doesn't know which value do we want. So for that, we'll give a message, that is enter a number. Reading this, our user will enter a number. For that, we need to store a number somewhere. That is, we'll take a variable int n is equals to sc dot next int. So friends, sc.next int will take the value from the user and it will store it to the variable n. So here we have got the variable. Next, we'll start the loop. As you all can see, it is starting from 3, the normal value, and it's going to 1. You can also write it somewhat like it is 1 into 2 into 3. It means the same, friends. So we can start a loop from 1. Ji is equals to 1. I will go up to n. We don't know what is the number, so it will go up to n, and every time it will update by 1, that is I plus plus, and then every time we need to multiply it. So in order to multiply it, we'll take a variable, that is int pro. We are taking it pro, and its initial value is 1. Why is it 1? It is 1 because every time when we'll multiply it, the value will increase. But if we'll keep it 0, the value will remain 0 only. So it will be something like pro is equals to pro into I. Whenever I will come, it will be multiplied and stored into pro. So here we have got the loop will execute till n, and then all the numbers will be multiplied and the product will be saved in pro. Here our work for the loop is over. work is over. And next we need to print pro. So it will print pro, and then as our code is over, we'll complete the coding and we'll compile it. Friends, you should notice that it will work for only a limited numbers, as we are taking the variable pro in data type int. Int works for a small range, but if you want to get the answer for a bigger number, you can take it as long. Long can get up to infinite, or as you all know, it is 64 bits, a very high range. We'll compile it. No syntax errors. Let's check for its output. Void main. Enter a number. It is asking us for a number. Let's enter 2. And 3 to 1 is 2. So it is printed 2. Let's try another one once again. Enter a number. So friends, what would you all suggest? I will suggest going for 18. Let's see. So this is the value for 18. So friends, I hope now you are clear how to calculate factorial of a number. Please like my channel, subscribe it, and also don't forget to click the bell icon beside it. Please comment how did you like the video or you didn't like it, and please give every suggestions for it. Thank you friends.